Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can give user access as WooCommerce shop manager to handle your WooCommerce store. Firstly, you need to go this user section and click on add new user. When you will hover on user section, you will get add new user option. Click here. After that, give a username, for example, Steve Rhodes. Email address steve@postuploader.com. First name Rhodes, and there has auto generated password. So if you love to keep this one, you can keep, or if you want to make new password, you can make. That's not a problem. After that, you will get an option send user notification. So if you select this, then that user email address, they will get a notification about this account on your website. Now come to the important point. What role should you give? As we came here to give access as a shop manager, then click here and select shop manager. If you select shop manager, then they will get this access, and click on add new user. So it's created. If you give this shop manager access to your employee or business partner, he can manage all of the WooCommerce products, categories, tags, and handle order, view reports, manage coupon. Even he can access WooCommerce setting without affecting site-wide configurations, and it will be very helpful for your business. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.